please subscribe. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You'll get 4 free stocks when you sign up. Minimum deposit required, $100. Also, pre-market trading hours starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only, the way to go.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch, I speak stocks. Today is Money Making Monday, August the 9th. In today's video, I have 2 plays for you. I have a SP and a MT. Let's delve right into the plays for the sake of time. Dave's play today is WINT, W-I-N-T. There's no news out, but the stock is up 55% in the pre at 282. The higher day thus far in the pre, 320. If this one retracts below 256, this might be a no-go, 256. Let's kick the tires. WINT wears a market cap of 48 million. Okay? Let me back up a second. If this one stays above 299, that's a sign of strength. WINT. This is a spec play. Let's continue. They have 13 million in the float. 42% are held by insiders. 5% are held by institution, and shorts has 8% of the float. Total cash in hand, 35 million. Their total debt is 20 million. Their current ratio is 5.26. WINT. Okay? Let's jump right into Dave's bonus play today. Dave's bonus play today is BITF. This one is a medium-term hold. The stock is up 22% on no news at $7.30. This one is in the blockchain sector. You know that it's been heating up again for the last few days or so. Cryptocurrencies. The higher day thus far in the pre is 808. This one is spikeable. For example, on or about December the 28th, the stock went from $145 to $10. $145 to $10, all in one trading day. Okay? Let me give you some bearing on their 52-week change. Their 52-week change is up 1,466%. Their 52-week low was 21 cents. And their 52-week high, $10. BITF. They have 136 million in the float. Okay. They have a market cap of 861 million. 25% of the float are held by insiders. 14% are held by institution, and shorts has 1% of the float. Their operating margin is a positive 23%. Operating margin, 23%. They have 54 million in revenue. This is BITF, Dave's bonus play today. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 209% year over year. Let me say that again. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 209% year over year. Their ROA is a positive 7.35%. Their gross profit is 3 million. Gross profit, 3 million. Their EBITDA is 22.56 million. 22.56 million. They have 53 million in cash, and they have 16 million in debt. Their current ratio is 8.74. BITF. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, guys, at @Petit, where I'll give you my stock alerts. Always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not trade more than you're willing to lose. And when you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you when I see you. Dave Natch. I'm out. Boom, bum. Make your next trade your best trade.
I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.
Got a lot of money invested in a Dave play. Every day. You want your money hatch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Foot 4 gas rich.
Yeah, this is Danny B, the Jingle King. I have a little argument for going on. But here, you know, I find myself with the money. And instead, I'm squander it and go on with foolishness and go along with. You want your money, Arch? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Please, me I tell you now. Go on, go make the money now, please. Yeah, man. Wanna do it fast and quick here? Subscribe to Dave Natch. Fast, don't stop. Every day, you want the money go? Check Dave's play. Invest. Interest. Bless.
Friday on No News, a plethora of volume came into the stock late afternoon, and the stock closed up 20% at 291. 291. Pay attention to this one. FTFT is spikeable. This one is out of China, and Chinese companies has a propensity to spike. For example, on or about January 7th to January 8th this year, FTFT went from $1.60 to $11.29, all in 2 days. $1.60 to $11.29. Can it make a move like that this week? Let's see. Let's get the tires. FTFT wears a market cap of 196 million. Okay? They have 47 million in the float. 53% of the float are held by insiders. 5% of the float are held by institutions, and shorts has 8% of the float. They have 177K in revenue. Their gross profit is 335K. 335K. Total cash, 42 million. This is FTFT. Total debt, 740K, bringing them to a healthy current ratio of 15.64. 15.64. This one won't be going bankrupt anytime soon. FTFT. Let's delve into stock number 2 to pay attention this coming week. BDR. BDR closed up 19% on No News on Friday. The volume was 4 times its average on Friday. Okay, pay attention. BDR. The stock opened up at $1.29 and never looked back. Okay, let's get the tires. BDR wears a market cap of 18 million. They have a tiny float of 5 million.
Welcome back to Dave Newell's channel. Don't forget to hit that like. Please subscribe and share.
To listen to their words. One evening he did hear the ox bemoaning to the ass the hardness of his lot. I do labor pulling the plow from morning until night, no matter how hot the day or how tired my legs or how the bow doth chafe my neck, still must I work. But you are a creature of leisure. You are trapped with a colorful blanket and do nothing more than carry our master about where he wishes to go. When he goes nowhere, you do rest and eat the green grass all the day. Now the ass, in spite of his vicious heels, was a goodly fellow and sympathized with the ox. My good friend, he complained, you do work very hard and I would not ease your lot. Therefore, will I tell you how you may have a day of rest. In the morning, when the slave comes to fetch you to the plow, lie upon the ground and bellow much, that he may say you are sick and cannot work. next morning the slave returned to the farmer and told him the ox was sick and could not pull the plow. "Then," said the farmer, "hitch the ass to the plow, for the plowing must go on." All that day, the ass, who had only intended to help his friend, found himself compelled to do the ox's task. When night came and he was released from the plow, his heart was bitter, and his legs were weary, and his neck was sore where the bow had chafed it. The farmer lingered in the barnyard to listen. The ox began first. "You are my good friend. Because of your wise advice, I have enjoyed a day of rest." "And I," retorted the ass, "am like many another simple-hearted one who starts to help a friend and ends up by doing his task for him. Hereafter you draw your own plow, for I did hear the master tell the slave to the butcher, were you sick again? I wish he would, for you are a lazy fellow." Thereafter they spoke to each other no more. This ended their friendship. "Canst thou tell the moral to this tale, Rodan?" "'Tis a good tale," responded Rodan, "but I see not the moral." "I thought not that you would, but it is there, and simple too. Just this: if you desire to help thy friend, do so in a way that will not bring thy friend's burdens upon thyself. I had not thought of that. It is a wise rule. I wish not to assume the burdens of my sister's husband. But tell me, you lend to many. Do not the borrowers repay?"